This is completely mind-blowing, because it's not for the mind, it's for the soul. It's out of energies and it's about magic. Hi, my name is Oliver and I'm the trainer of this course. I'm also a magician, and for me it's an honor and a great moment to invite you to have a look to that training and also to give you a better understanding about the new world, about understanding and changing energies. Because if you change an energy, you always change in a result. So if you get a better understanding about energies and learn how to change them, you will change the results. And if you get a better understanding for the things you really want to have, so it's not only about an understanding of the ego or the mind. It's so necessary and so important to understand what you so really want to have. So maybe you want to change some things, like before years you said, I want to have this or that in my life, and with the training you will get a better understanding, what is what you really want to have? What is that and this into your life, where you say, okay, I will give energies in it. I will bundle energies. I will make a ritual or so to create that shiny thing that your soul wishes so much. And you will learn how to understand the energies and how to change it. And I'm not the only teacher in this training. I'm only the medium, and I create that course and the website, but I work with the spiritual world altogether. So I have a lot of helpers for you, and they are out of the world of the natural beings. For example, some fairies will create wishes with you, or you will get teachings from Merlin itself. And when Merlin speaks to you and give teachings about the energy, then in your soul will happen in that moment and change. So you will hear, for example, a channeling like that, and you get a better understanding about your thoughts in the first part of the training. And if you learn to get a better understanding of your thoughts and to bring it in a better direction, you will change things into your life. And magic needs something like a button. So the first part about thoughts, or later about the universal laws, there are parts that will give your mind and your creator sins a better understanding the world it really is. And later we want to talk about wishes, and I will teach you with some examples to get a better understanding what people really want to have. And after it, you will have the first creations by yourself. You will get a magic wand, for example, and you will work with it, and you will learn to bring energies about it, about room and space, and so you will create things about room and space and time. So if there are things that are really old, you bring it into you while the kindergarten or so. You can change it in an easy way with the bundling of magic, and also with the people, they do the course with you together. So you will get access to Facebook group, and you will find partners there, and you can change things with them and learn to practice with magic all around the world. So after it, you will get the understanding, you will get the access to the spiritual world, to understand and to create with magic, to make rituals. And I think a good thing is also that you get, for example, a holy grail of magic. It's like, it's not the holy grail of magic, it's your magic grail. So I brought in it all the energies out of the magic grail. And this is mind-blowing, because you cannot understand how much energies are in the challenge like that. And if you drink some water out of that grail on the day or in 4 weeks or a long time after the training, with every time you drink water out of that grail, you will get more and more access to the magic. Your cells will open for the magic. They will show you what you did do in times long before you thought about it with the magic. So this course is about a beginning, a first step in real magic. And you will change a lot of things with that course, and you will get all the tools like the Stone of Wisdom. And those tools are at the end complete fulfilled with energies. And if you use this, for example the stone or the grail, or you do things with a magic wand, with each step and with each ritual, with each thing you do in your energy field, you will change something and you will change your life. So that's mind-blowing, that's real magic, and that will give you a better understanding about the world, and you will learn how to change your world in the way your soul wishes for you since a long time, since a lot of lives. And so this is the time to fulfill and practice, to, you could say, to find the way to paradise. I know in the outer world sometimes it seems like so many things are in transformation and it's not a good world at the moment, but the opposite is the real world. It's like the transformation have to be go on so that we can create a new world. A new world will born to yourself and out from yourself. So you will not only create for yourself, you will create for humanity and for all the people on the planet that even then they don't have access to the magic. So thank you very much, and I want to invite you at the end to take your time to have a look to the first part of the training. It's fully complete, free, and you will get an understanding about swords. It is really helpful to get a better understanding about swords. And after it, Moses will give you a channeling, like how did you use your magic in times long before that life. And something in you will change in that moment. Maybe you will feel it, or maybe you will get an idea about it, or you have pictures in your mind. And it's good to go with this. Not to think about it or to make it smaller than it is. It's nice to get these pictures. It's an invitation to your soul to open for the new world and the new time. So take your time and use that space and hear that channeling and enjoy it and have a lot of fun with it, with gaming with your thoughts, with inspiration that will come to you, and also with your inner child, because the inner child is about magic and will bring you the access to the world it really is, more and more and more while the 15 weeks training. So enjoy the first video and hopefully you will like it. I did give a lot of information and energies in it, and I wish you all the very best with the first changes in magic, also with the free meditations you will find on the website, and build your own magical world. You start it into yourself and it will find its way. So have fun with the first part of the training and maybe with the 14 lessons after it, and I hope you will like it. And if you want to, you can leave a comment and I will read all your comments and your emails, and hopefully you will find a way to magic into your life. Thank you very much and have fun with the first lesson of the magical training.